Good morning. Do you like to play games? Come on, let's play a game. All of you stand up? Yes, all of you stand up. सब जन खड़े हो जाइए. Okay, now show me where is your head? Where is your head? Show me. Yes. Correct. Very good. Now nod your head from right to left, left to right. Nod your head. Yes. Are you feeling good? Okay. Now, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Yes, 2. And where are they? Very good. There are 2 eyes. And ये आइज को क्या काम है? क्या काम करता है ये आइज? ओ, यहाँ वहाँ देखने का काम करता है. हम इस आँखों से देख सकते हैं, हम समझ सकते हैं इस आँखों से. ठीक है. अभी हमारी जो आँखें हैं, हम जैसे हमने हेड को नॉड किया वैसे ही राइट लेफ्ट करेंगे. अब इस तरफ के वॉल तरफ देखो पहले. यस, राइट लेफ्ट, राइट लेफ्ट. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? ओके. नाउ शो मी योर ईयर्स. ईयर्स नहीं, ईयर्स. शो मी योर ईयर्स. Yes. And how many are there? 2. What do you do with these ears? What do you do? Yes, you listen. And to whom you listen? आप किससे सुनते हो? ओ, मैम की आवाज़ सुनते हो, मम्मी पापा की नहीं सुनते? Yes, very good. नाउ अपनी नोज कहाँ पर है? वेयर इज नोज? गुड. एंड हाउ मेनी नोज यू हैव? 1 नोज. क्या करते हो? स्मेल लेते हो, सूंघते हो आप. नाउ हम और नीचे जाएंगे. अभी how many hands do you have? 2 hands. And what do you do with these 2 hands? What do you do? Yes, we clap with these hands. And how many fingers do you have? Count the fingers, both the hands. See the fingers, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each hand have 5 fingers. So both the hands you have 10 fingers. Now stretch your hands, raise it on top. Yes, come on. And clap your hands on top. Clap. Yes, you are getting any sound? Good. What do you do with your fingers? Do you know? आप क्या क्या करते हो आपके हाथ और फिंगर से? यस, हम लिखते हैं, हमारी पढ़ाई करते हैं हम. और हम खाना भी खाते हैं। यस, लंच खाते हैं ना, इससे हाथों से खाते हैं हम लिखते भी हैं हाथों से। नाउ वेयर इज योर नी? वेरी गुड। And how many legs do you have? 2 legs. What do you do with these your legs? You walk, you run, you jump. Come on, jump. Yeah, leave your hands from the benches and desk and jump. Jump. Good. Now stop. Walk straight. Stop. Run. Stop. Very good. So we have all these different parts of a body, and this is what we are learning today. The topic of our EVS is parts of a body. So take out the page number of your picture dictionary, page number 6. Page number 6. Parts of a body. Parts of a body. See here, you can see one girl standing there. Yes. Now repeat all the parts of a body. All these different parts make us whole and make us a complete person. Say, now all of you repeat. Head, hair, ear, chin, nose, eye, arm, hand, legs, fingers, and what you will do in your EVS copy, you will draw a picture of a girl or a boy and name them the parts of a body. You will draw a picture of a girl or a boy and you will name every part of a body, and you will do this in your EVS copy. It is for your oral examination that you know the parts of a body. Thank you.